Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Focusing on that pie server tool on my pre-primed 12 by 24 inch black canvas. I have some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax over here to dip that into. I also have some Meeden paint that I think I made up for Dutch pours, and I'm going to use it as the base layer for some puddles. Get off me, paint chip. And I'm not overly certain what I'm doing. Every time I did this yesterday I got a big dollop at the end. But it's black and white so far, so I guess I'm not going to worry too much about it. I see I have a lot of bubbles and I'm not really sure that I should worry about them. But since my torch is handy, I'll just give it a real quick torch. And my paint is smoking. Well, I'm going to use my Venetian blue, which usually floats on Meeden paint, which should work out well for me. Some amethyst metallic from Artist Loft. The Venetian blue is a Modern Masters. I'm going to use a little bit of Prussian blue. I'm being called to green. I want purples too. This is a Folk Art color shifting purple, which is my favorite color, really, most days. I want some copper in there, I don't know why. And I think, last but not least, I'm going to put some turquoise in also. I don't even know if that's enough paint. There's my turquoise. This is a little bit of Decor Americana 24 karat gold that has some orange in it. I didn't put any gold in there and I do want some. This is weird. I'm not used to doing this at all. Here comes the this turquoise is partially iridescent, partially color shifting. It started with a color shifting color from Folk Art called Dragon, and then I changed the colors. So hopefully I can get my smear on. I really want some pink in there too. I gotta stop myself though. I gotta stop. I can always add more puddles, but I can't take away paint. So, where to go, where to go, where to go? And I have a scrape dish, which is good because I'm going to need to use it in a second. That's pretty cool. I'm going to use my studio rag, which is nothing more than an old sweatshirt, cut up and then kept moist so I can clean my tool off fairly well. And then my pants. So that's pretty neat. I'm not sure about that. Back into the mix I go. And scrape off my residuals, which I may throw back in there. Scrape dish is working pretty good. That's what's left. I think I can risk some more. Sorry if I made your head spin. Ah! I think I'm going to want to grab all of this with some kind of tool, which at this moment is looking a lot like a spatula. And I know I can probably swipe through that again. Just kind of want a much smaller tool to do it with. and I think I will do that. Or maybe I'll just try the tip of this tool. That's a little better. I'm still not completely happy here. It's a little weird because it's a dry canvas. I don't know what would happen if I put something in there as far as fresh wet paint one goes. Can't talk. Hang on. I'm working on it. I love the purple, especially with the turquoise and the green. I just want something that goes up here. I guess I'm going to do it. Alright, I put my paint down where? Right here in front of me, of course. I actually managed to not completely mess that up, which is awesome. That's Hot Orchid, and I didn't use any of that. Okay, never mind. I'm going to put pretty much everything in there, I think. We'll see. I like this through here. That's that turquoise, and there's some of that gold in there. I need some of that gold for sure. And maybe just a drop of orange. Scrape off and clean off my tool again. There, that's a little better. Makes me want to come over here and see what I can do. What I've got to work with without even putting a puddle down. That might be really risky. Let's see if I got any paint to knock off my spatula. I want to steal some paint. Alright, so I'm not going to take a chance with the big tool, but I have little tools that I made. Let's grab one with a less invasive looking edge. Here goes nothing. I think as long as we're in for penny, in for pound, we'll do that too. I might want to put something else up there in a second. I think it's going to be something more subtle. Like the Prussian blue. Oh yeah, no, I like that. Maybe I should leave it alone then. I have littler tools still and I kind of want to try one. I keep promising to make a video sharing how I made these tools. It's not really hard, it's just a bamboo skewer broken in half using clear duct tape to attach a piece of acetate. I want that to become one. Yep, I'm liking this much, much more now that I'm playing with it. Loving it, actually. Wondering maybe if there's something I want to put up here. Do I want to put any green in there? I kind of do. I hope I said that was the Folk Art Green Gold. Ah, some of these cells are amazing. Not sure what it is. But I like it. It's pretty cool, actually. I'm really, really liking it a lot. I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you. Subscribed. If you're new, please be welcomed. I hope I'm here for a while longer. I can't seem to get anybody to watch me. They're busy watching the groups. But I'm doing some cool stuff. So share my videos if you feel like you want to help me out. If you do really actually want to help me continue staying on YouTube, then watch the videos longer, share the videos, give me a thumbs up. Your comments keep my morale boosted, and I really appreciate that. That was a little weird, but never mind. So I'm sort of in awe because I'm staring at this and staring at it and wondering if there's something else I should do, and I don't think there's anything else I should do. I think this is just really, really cool. There's a few places with fewer cells, but the places that have more cells are pretty awesome. Throw a couple spirals right in the little spots that are residuals. Why not? I could even steal some of that paint, put it up there. Alright, so whatever I didn't tell you, I will have to say thank you very much for all the compliments and the comments that keep my morale boosted again. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. And if you want to be somebody who helps support the studio's production of videos, look on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner to see the place where PayPal and Patreon icons are located. And I prefer PayPal. If you can make a donation, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes. There are always paintings, sometimes a calendar, occasionally books, but there's choices of paintings included at the beginning of the exhibition video that I change every single month, and the drawing is at the beginning of the month and runs right through the end of the month. So what else can I tell you? I have an Amazon link. It's on my link tree. My link tree is the first blue link underneath the video, and that's where you can find my Amazon link, my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors for looking at the albums of YouTube artworks. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is got a Shop Now button that'll take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com, where you can find over 1,400 items, all made into like bazillions of items. If you're looking for all-over print leggings or t-shirts or all-over prints in general, you should look at, first of all, High Fashion Le Gallerist, which is the top link on the link tree, which is clothing made in Montreal, and it's pricey, but it's beautiful. And less expensive are the Teespring clothing underneath the video. You can click on any one of those links and you'll be taken to my store. If you check out Pixels.com, Fine Art America, you'll find t-shirts and baby onesies and duvet covers and you name it, it's there. And if you ever need any help with a link, let me know. And if you can't find something you're looking for and you find a piece of artwork that you absolutely love, please feel free to ask me and I will place it for you. I love you guys. My email address, should you want a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, they are private, one-on-one. You can inquire using my email address, which is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. Or you can click show more underneath the video, where you'll also find my paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe. What else can I tell you? Don't forget the thumbs up, and the longer you watch, the better off I am. It's the #1 thing the algorithm responds to. If you have questions, please feel free to ask them. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Hang in there. I'm trying. I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights at 10 p.m. also. Not sure about the daytime hours, but I am sure I love this. And I want to thank Gail Burston for starting me with large palette knives and trowels. This was just a lot of fun to play with, and I love you guys. That's enough for now. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.